Hi, my name is Jason Chapman. My role with Zepf Solutions is leader of material control, production scheduling, and inventory. Epicor, my job role means absolutely everything. I make all my decisions based off the various different modules and the information they give me. And Epicor is extremely helpful in helping make those decisions. The process was quite smooth with S Partners. They were there to help on every change or any different little thing that you wanted to tweak the system the best suit their needs. They were, S Partners was there for them. What I like best about S Partners is the timely responses on emails and responses to questions via phones and emails and text messages. From my previous experience with different ERPs, the Epicor graphic user interface was a lot nicer and easier to use. I found working with S Partners for especially changes to different modules that you wanted to make. The timeline to get that done was a lot quicker than dealing with some of the other smaller companies that we used to do with my previous employers. So with the ease of use, the timely use of the machines, of the software allowed us to, you're not struggling, the different modules helped you find your information faster. Previous ERPs didn't have that level of searchability, so you always had to kind of fumble around to find your information. So I guess that's probably the best example of how it's helped us save money with reduced labor time to make decisions. The Epicor actually helped us to save a lot of money through, streamlined modules and services to find the information we needed when we needed it. I use it absolutely every day, all day. I'm in no less than 6 different modules at any given time. However, there was a very huge knowledge base with the help function, and S Partners was always there if you needed help. My dealings with S Partners have always been highly professional and very knowledgeable staff. The online tutorials are great. That's one extra little thing that you didn't get with my previous ERP experiences. With Epicor, we have several modules to help make decisions based on history of purchasing parts, so Purchase Advisor, Part Advisor. We've got several different modules for inventory shortage reports, long-term purchasing requirements, long-term inventory on hand. So at the end of every year we can write down obsolete product, so this actually helps us find that list quickly. Right now our future plans with Epicor are to migrate into the cloud. This is especially important right now with the hurricane season down south with our Clearwater division. We're having issues with, obviously, our servers are down there. So right now we're not currently operating on certain software because it's located down there, but with the migration to the cloud, that eliminates that risk. As I manage the warehouse and inventory control, my next milestone to help the company save money is to migrate to a barcode system, scanning system for inventory, so job picking, shipments, inventory control, cycle counts. Our process flow in the warehouse and the production shop is paper-based, but I am looking forward to having Epicor take that into the digital era, so everything would kind of be paperless. So money savings on the reduced paper, but also time spent just processing all that paper. I highly recommend S Partners in your implementation of Epicor.